Let's get these on. Hi guys, today we are making us some egg foo young, guys. This is all you need. Now, in this bowl, we have some bok choy, we have some coleslaw mix, which is, you know, basically cabbage, okay? And we also have some green onions chopped. So yeah, if you're ready for this video, you guys, come check it out. Okay, so we're going to start off by putting a little olive oil in the pan. Just enough, because we need to fry our eggs. Okay? So we have our egg mixture. And we're going to put a scramble on it. And I'm going to sit that right here. You guys may and may not can't see it, but anywho, just follow me on this. So if you have a craving for Chinese food and you really don't want to go out, or if it's a financial reason, whatever, I'm making it easy and simple as possible for you guys, so you can enjoy the taste of egg foo young. Let's turn that down just a little. So we're gonna mix it in there just like so. I hope you guys can see that, or did see it. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get our spoon, which I am working with this. Now I know you need a wad, I know that, don't get me wrong, but your girl has did it this way as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and make this on up. We're going to let that fry. So yes, you guys, these are the egg foo young patties. You will definitely enjoy them. You guys, if you're a first time viewer, please share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. You guys, I enjoy cooking and trying different recipes, because that's what I like doing. Okay? Now look at that egg patty. Let's flip it. Let's flip it one. It will not flip for me. Okay, there we go. There we go, you guys. This will not flip. There we go. I'm trying not to burn myself. But yeah, those are some egg foo young patties, you guys. Thick and ready. Let's get these on out the pan and go to our next step. Okay, our next step is we're going to add a little all-purpose flour. I don't need as much flour because, as you guys see, I put just that amount because I don't need that much. But I am going to add just a little cornstarch. Can you guys see it? Cornstarch. Just a little. And we're going to get that to going and mix it. So we can get that to its brownish. We're going to put a little seasoning in there. Nothing fancy. We're going to remove that for a minute. Now that was just a tab of soy sauce. We don't need a lot of that. A little water or broth if that's your choice. Because we're at the process of making our gravy. You can use a little Worcestershire sauce. You can go a little darker with your browning. It all depends on you. It all depends on you. That's me adding a cup for half a cup of water. So we'll be back once this gets to where it needs to be. Guys, I thought I was already up. So we're turning these over. Don't want to plunge it. Oops. You guys, check out those egg rolls. Those is gonna be bomb. I thought this one right here only has one wrap. I didn't like the brand that I picked up, but I used 2 wraps on all the rest of them. And yeah, I stuck them in the freezer. I don't know if that's a no-no. So leave a comment below and let me know. But anywho, you guys, I was in the mood for a little egg rolls. So here, there you go. Have it. She's making some egg rolls for dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share. And yes, if you're not part of the family, come join your girl. I would love to meet you guys. You guys, I like experimenting with different food, ingredients, and yeah. Hey, I will be the first to bring it to you as long as it crosses my path. So, yeah. Enjoy your day. For meantime, like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. Let me know what you guys are doing on this channel.